This is a really exciting time for Bausch & Lomb and to be here at this ASCRS. The enthusiasm, it's the excitement, it's the energy that you see in our booth, the number of customers that tell me, wow, Bausch is really having an amazing ASCRS.
People are excited about Bausch & Lomb and Bausch & Lomb Surgical specifically. They see the investment, they feel that investment, and they see the talent that we're bringing on to Bausch & Lomb Surgical.
This is a real firsthand opportunity for customers to interact with our field force and really getting that firsthand experience with some of those different aspects of our portfolio.
So partnering is our practice. We're actually launching that this weekend here at ASCRS. We want our customers to have absolute reliability in us as a surgical partner. A portfolio of products that offer a wide range of opportunity for the surgeon and his or her patients to take care of those patients and provide excellent surgical outcomes.